So let's continue learning about Webpack. In this video, I'm gonna create a new JavaScript folder. So these sources are going to be complete. We're gonna move this right here. I'm gonna close this. And I'm gonna create a new file. So maybe you have a index.js for the homepage of your website. And also you want an about us.js. And from here, we're gonna send something really simple, console log about us. And on the index.js, I'm going to remove everything and I'm gonna console log the index homepage, something like that, something really simple. I'm gonna show you something. So by default in the Webpack configuration file, we only have one entry point and also one output, but you can create multiple entries and multiple outputs. So here on the entry, for example, you can cut this and you can create an object. And then you name the properties. So for example, index. The index is going to use this src. Then we created this JavaScript file. So we have src-js-index.js. And then we add about us, something like this. And I'm gonna copy this. So we have two entry points at this point, and you can create multiple of these, if all the ones that you want to add into your project. So here on the output, you can see we're calling this bundle.js in this file that we have here. We're gonna change this a little. We're going to add the square brackets, and I'm gonna call this one name. So this name is going to map every entry, and is going to create an index.bundle.js and also about us.bundle.js. So save everything. I'm gonna remove the previous bundle. I'm gonna delete everything, and I'm going to run this again, npm run build. And you can see we have this error. This error is happening because we're importing this. In this case, it should be 2 dots and then SCSS, since we move everything into the JavaScript folder. So npm run build again. You can see the bundles are created, and we have about us.bundle and index.bundle.js. If you open both, at the bottom you will find the console log about us, and also you will find in the index bundle at the bottom we have index homepage. So let's make a test, and I'm going to open the index. I'm going to change this. You can see we have this folder, and then we're gonna link this into the index.bundle.js, and I'm gonna copy this. I'm going to create a new file about us.html, and in this case this is going to link into the about us.bundle.js. Let's save everything, and you can see we have index homepage, and if you open right here about us.html, you can see we have about us, and everything is working just fine. So if you open again the about us and the index bundle, there is several code right here, and a lot of this code is repeated in both files. There is a way that we can optimize this and create a common code file. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video.